Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, back at it with another unboxing for a portable projector. This time it's from BenQ and it's their GV30. This is a drop-proof projector, so if it goes and drops by 0.7 meters, it will not break. Just take a quick look at these specs before we do the unboxing. Now, unlike other projectors I reviewed, this one is 720p. It has 300 lumens. It does have a Bluetooth speaker built in, and it also has a built-in battery that gives you 2.5 hours of battery life. So this is not your top of the line projector. It's more like your everyday projector, 720p, 300 lumens. You could use it both indoors and outdoors. One thing you want to watch before I unbox this, hold on. Before I unbox this, one thing you want to subscribe to this channel for is I'm going to take this guy, which is 300 lumens, 720p, against this bad boy right over here. This has 500 lumens and it's 1080p. So you're going to want to watch and subscribe to the channel to watch the showdown, because my next door neighbor has an outdoor projector screen and we're going to go a back-to-back test. So you want to check that out. It's actually really bright right now, so that's why I'm doing this unboxing inside. And then later on tonight, I will do the showdown and the review for both of these. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to see those videos. Let's take this out for the first time and see what's inside. Oh, geez, how many freaking tape parts are there? There we go. You know this is genuine because most people would edit that out. All right, this is my favorite part, always the big reveal. And here we go. Damn, look at that. It comes with its own carrying case. This is very similar to the GS50. If it's a portable projector, it's freaking awesome that they give you this case, because you show up to a party with this, everyone is going to think you are cool. Just make sure you show up and double check they have Wi-Fi. It also has the Android TV dongle as well. Everything else is just like cardboard and recyclable. Love this minimalist design. Tech companies have finally figured it out. You don't need to give us all this garbage. Even something like this, do we really need this whole box? Just give us the dongle. But I digress. Let's open this up and take a look for the first time. Ta-da! So we have your what is this, guitar picks? Yeah, guitar picks. We're very close to it. So we got this stuff. I'll take a look at this a little bit later. It looks like a quick start guide on how to actually get this dongle inside. That's the cool feature about these BenQ portable projectors, is the dongles go inside. Well, that's cool. Look, it's even got this little stand and a dedicated spot in the case for the stand. So you can take it off, put it inside. Here is the charging block. They also have it for Europe and North America. And it comes with batteries for the controller. The question is, where is the controller? Maybe it's underneath here. So here's the projector, and like I was thinking, the controller is nicely hidden in its own dedicated spot. Gotta love these box designs. You know, portable projectors is where it's at. It's a completely different, like, new category. Well, it's not genuinely new, but it's cool. You got your standard slot here to put it with the... So the great thing about this projector is you can mount it to a mount, and that makes sense if you have, like, say, a party and you just want to like showcase something against a wall. You can just kind of set that up. A lot of versatile uses for a portable projector. So just give you very interesting design. I've never seen one with this type of design. It looks basically like a Bluetooth speaker, and that's because it is, but it's also, of course, a projector. You got your ports here on the side. HDMI, USB-C, headphone jack, and then the power. So super simple. I'm guessing this sits just like this and then projects. Oh, see, like, that's a cool design. You got to respect that. And look, once you set it, it doesn't slide around. Genius. Love it. Controls here on the top and a little handle. This is really cool. And like I said, 2.5 hours of battery life. So even if you say go to a birthday party and you want to show a slideshow of you and your friends or your fiance or what have you, 2.5 hours. You can just bring this, turn it on, and play it. And if you don't have Wi-Fi, bring your laptop or something like that and just plug it in. Boom. TJ's your uncle. So, let me see. I guess this has one way of going in. And just like that. Oh, well, I don't want to put this back in because actually, you know what? Before I'm going to pull this away, what I'll do is I'll clean everything up and show you what it looks like, everything that you get out of the box. Okay, so here's everything you get with the BenQ GV30 portable projector. Of course, you have the projector itself. This, folks, hold on, I just got to give you a disclaimer. This is not guitar picks, even though it looks exactly like one. What this is for is actually to open up to put the dongle inside. So I'm going to do this in a different video, but I just want to clarify what this was because I had no idea. I've never actually seen this in any other BenQ projector. Of course, you have the controller, so I'll put that away in the case. It comes with the quick start guide and, of course, your warranty information. What's really interesting is they have this must do before power on warning, and that's just basically to use that little pick to put the dongle in. So I'll be doing that before I test this outside. You also have your power cord, your power block, and both for Europe and North America. So I'm in North America, so I'll move that away. Put these two things away. Love this case. Of course, you have the base, and you can angle it to get the right angle on the wall. So put that away. We have the dongle. This dongle will be going inside, so I'm not going to put that away, and I'm not putting this away because I'm not... Actually, you know what? I'm not putting this away. I'm actually going to, right after this video, I'm going to set everything up because this thing looks really interesting. So basically, once you get everything in, boom, you carry it around. It's kind of got a cool retro look to this case. It says BenQ on the side over here. All in all, a projector on the go. This is entertainment in a box. All you really need is Wi-Fi. You don't even need power because this has 2.5 hours of battery life, so you can still get some use. And I'm going to test that out later on. So folks, this is the end of the unboxing of the BenQ GV30. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and to see the showdown as I take this on with, hold on, I got it over here, this bad boy. It's going to be a versus. What's the last time I've done a versus? A head-on verse between two from the same brand, 720p, 300 lumens versus 500 lumens and a 1080p projector screen, back to back. And we're going to see if we can do a blind test to see if you can tell the difference. I'm going to do a little experiment on YouTube. So I'll switch them around, won't tell you what screen is which, and you can decide which screen you'd like better, and if you can tell the difference between 720p and 1080p and 300 lumens versus 500 lumens. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, folks. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.